Alright, so this is Cody here, Mad Guy 1. I am going to, as you can see, my video is quite jerky right now. Frame rate's terrible. Can't even get the full graphics that I want. But I have a fix for that. I have a new computer coming in on Monday, July 6th, which will allow me to not only record this in great frames, but also other games. And also, as you may have noticed, my audio sounds a bit better, which is because I have a new headset and mouse, but that doesn't matter. Anyway, just a quick little update on what we're gonna do. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.